Hi guys, this is Niella, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I record my iPhone screen for free. So guys, if you want to know how to record your screen, if you're an iOS user or if you're an iPhone user, without using any app or without installing any app, please keep watching and you know the drill. Don't go anywhere. Settings on your mobile phone, that's on your iPhone. So I'm going to tap on my settings and I am going to go to the option of the control center. We all know where the control center is. This where you have icons. If you decide to scroll up your screen, you'll find all those icons around here. So that is the control center. So I'm going to customize. I'm going to click on the customize control because I want to customize control. So if you look, you can see the first part I have touch, timer, calculator, camera, but I would want to add something else. So when you scroll down, you will find screen recording. I had to disable this because mine was already there. That's the only way I am able to record the screen and do this video for you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and add screen recording to the to the control center, I guess, to the first options above. So I'm going to tap on this plus sign here and it's going to go over here. So by the time I go back to the shortcuts here, I would see this sign. So this sign right here is called, it's for the screen recording. So guys, this is where to get your screen recording from on your iPhone, or if you're an iOS user. So rather than going to download apps on App Store or anywhere else, but I know the only apps I know, you can only download apps from App Store and it would work on your iOS device. So you already have it in your iPhone. So guys, I'm going to show you how this works. So guys, I'm already recording the screen because you can see the screen recorder, it's changed to red and it is beeping in and out, in and out. So this is, my screen is currently recording. So guys, this tutorial is very easy. So if you feel you need to download external apps on your iOS device just to be able to record your screen for your YouTube videos or for your webinars, it's just a total waste of time because you can record your screen for free on your iOS device using the screen recording option on your iPhone. So guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a fat thumbs up, share with your friends, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye guys.